So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is you versus them current energy check in for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising. There's no timeline to this reading because this is just current energy check in your side, their side, and where this connection is going and the universal guidance. Okay. For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Libra, let's see on your side what we have. We have the Two of Swords and the King of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Chariot. Uh-huh. You are, wow. You're trying to be in two boats at the same time, where one boat is telling you to keep moving forward, don't look back because there's nothing in the situation to look back. You just have to keep moving forward. This is good to go. Then you are on the crossroads when it comes to a particular situation. There are two situations here. One that is very stable, very organized, and looks good on the paper, maybe for the society or for so-called culture or something. You guys are keeping something or someone with you because it makes sense and it is how it should be, right? And the other situation that makes your heart sing, that makes you feel like a child again, kid again. Your heart is very connected to that particular energy. Now it can be two versions of the same situation too, where at some point of time things are very light-hearted, very bubbly, very good to go. We are enjoying each other's company and everything, and at what time it is like becoming very serious. But for most of you, these are two situations, and or these are two sides of your personality too. Take it how it resonates with you. One time you are feeling very serious about a situation, like, oh my god, this is something that is making me feel like this is it, and even if it is boring but it is stable and I should not play with it. Then other situation, other side of you, like, but I want to live my life to the fullest, but I want to enjoy life, I want to explore, I want to do so many things in my life that this particular person or situation can tie me down. So there are so many layers to this 3 4 cards in your energies, Libra. Right now, take which one is yours. Either you are dealing with two energies at the same time, or these are two versions of your energies right now that are making you feel like even if something is stable, even if something is good, you are looking for something better or something childlike, something innocent, something fun. Okay, so it is getting boring maybe. Let's see the energy attached to you, their side, the energy attached to you, what they are up to. I have the Five of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords and the Three of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. Yeah, this energy is super open, super happy, super excited. They know what they are doing. They know what they want from the situation. They're coming out of this feeling left out in the cold by the whole divine kind of energy. Maybe they had bad experiences in the past, or maybe you had a bad experience with them in the past. Now they're crystal clear. They have mental clarity. They have the understanding that this situation have a limitation. The limitation can be that this can be friendship only kind of a thing for the rest of your lives, and they're okay with that. And or the limitation can be that even if you guys are going to be together, you guys are not going to be together in that way. But there is something related to this situation that makes them feel happy, that makes them feel excited, and in their head, in their mind, they're super clear that this is how it is going to be, and this is the maximum limit reach of this situation. And apart from that, none of you can do anything about the situation. One of you is definitely connected to some other energy too, and they have this, again, looks good on the paper, or there's something about a situation that is keeping them there. But there's a lot of fun, there's a lot of love, there's a lot of excitement, there's a lot of this energy of, yes, let's explore, let's do this, let's do that kind of energy between you and a particular energy. But one of you is connected to something else or someone else also. That's important, that you guys cannot deny, both of you. Okay, something here is, now I don't see anybody cheating on anybody here, but I do see somebody mm, maybe keeping a friendship alive with someone else, right? Maybe not in a sexual way or that kind of a way, but there is an energy of bonding with other energy here, and that is making you feel very excited, and both the energies are happy here. Okay, cool. So let's see where this connection is going, what could be the possible energies for this, the mutual energy for this connection. Let's see. Okay, before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 10 days Osho meditation workshop. That is happening from 5th till the 14th of July 2026 in the evening, 4:30 till 5:30. And we are going to do a lot of inner child healing, lot of trauma healing, and these are going to be 10 days, 10 Osho meditations. They are totally different from your usual meditations that you do on a day-to-day basis. The previous batch was a super hit, and the reviews of the previous batch are in the community. You can check that out. I don't, and my Instagram also, that's Prem Singh Yogita. You'll find that there also. And if you want to start or restart your healing journey or spiritual journey, or you want to enter into Osho's world, this is a fantastic opportunity. I'm going to teach you guys five Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditations also that you can use in your day-to-day life, and certain one or two breathwork exercises also to regulate your nervous system, to regulate your energies when you are anxious or stressed out. The whole package is very power packed. And the fees is also quite affordable. It's 5100 for Indians for 10 days workshop, and for others it's 300 USD. It's going to be in English and Hindi both. Don't worry about the language, but we cannot provide the recordings because I am not allowed to do that professionally right now. Maybe in the future we can. Okay, so I am going to do this for the rest of my life. Even if one person is going to show up, we are good to go. You guys can start your healing journey, your spiritual journey with me, and see where we can land in the coming future. Who knows, right? So don't wait for the last moment to apply for this. The link is in the description box for the same. And what else? Read all the instructions and everything before you guys are going to apply, because the fees is non-refundable, honey. Okay, so that's the deal. And the mail ID is also given in the description box if you have any queries. So let's see. Let's see for the connection what we have. चौदहवीं की रात शब भर रहा चर्चा तेरा. We have the King of Wands, the Devil, and the King, Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Death card. So this situation can be okay if both of you are crystal clear that this is how it is going to be. If none of you is going to cross the boundary or cross the limitation, this situation has already transformed into something that it used to be. It is totally different from what it used to be. There is a total transformation in the situation. There is attraction, there is pull, and this situation can become a very addictive kind of a situation, very unhealthy, very codependent kind of a situation if you guys are not going to take care of the boundaries and the limitations and everything that you guys should keep in mind. So before it's going to turn into a disaster, both of you have to keep your energies, your feelings, your thoughts in check, and both of you have to respect the boundaries and respect the limitations of the situation. Then this can be a good to go situation, a friendship kind of a deal, a good friendship kind of a deal. Okay, but otherwise it can become a shit show very, very easily if not taken care of properly and honestly. Okay, cool. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Libra. I have the Two of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. See, you have a choice whether to make things work out with this particular energy or to walk away. Whatever choice you are going to make, whatever choice or decision you are going to make sure that it's going to, you know, it's going to go in your favor. Meaning, think about the long term consequences of something that you might not be able to understand or handle or manage the way you should. If you have the capacity and the capability to manage something the way it should be, okay, in every possible way, then you can go for this situation. But if you think that even if you are going to give your best, something or someone is not going to be there the way they should be, then you can choose to walk away. See, the ball is in your court, and it's like the ball is always in our courts. Actually, it's just an illusion of mind that yeah, I'm giving you choices and this and that. Actually, we have to decide what to do in a situation. Let it hurt you, let it bother you for some time, but choose the right thing. In this scenario also, if you think something or someone can create issues in the coming future, it's good to let it go. But if you think that you can manage it, you can handle it with love, with compassion, and everything can be fine, then it's your choice. Okay, that's what I'm getting. But something should not stress the hell out of you all the time. You're one decision, one choice away from making a life-changing decision here, and you have to stick to that decision of yours. And if you cannot, if you feel like okay, I made the wrong choice, then you can change the decision. It's not like you are in a war and something bad is going to happen, because it's a friendship kind of a deal. It's a bond that is good, that is heartfelt kind of energies. But if there is another energy connected to this whole dynamics that can get affected or harmed or hurt, then I think you should think about it in a very, very serious way. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you, namaste.